everybody. Today I'm going to show you all of these amazing tools. The first one is called shapes. All of these are shapes. And then I'm going to be showing you this tool, and it's called Curvature tool. This tool is going to be PenTool. You can use it as an add anchor point tool, or a delete anchor point tool, or an anchor point tool. So those are all of the things you can use it as, but mostly I'm going to show you the PenTool bit. The second one, the fourth one is sub-selection. And then the last one I'm going to be showing you today is selection tool. So let's get started by me showing you what PenTool is. So PenTool is basically a tool that you can use to just draw simple things. Like over here, I'm drawing I don't know what this is, but look here, it's going to allow me to delete these anchor points.
Can I show you a cool thing over here? So with the pen tool, you can do, so if you press and hold,
you can make a curve.
You can make a curve.
But in other ways to do that, there is another way.
Yes. So pen tool is a little bit different. So you can draw shapes like you said, or the curves.
Well, basically, PenTool, I can't really get the hang of the curve thing. So what I do is I just draw something. I just draw something which has 4 anchor points like this if I wanted to make a circle. Then this tool is called sub-selection. This one will allow you to curve. And whatever corner you select, you need to click on Shift. For the first one, you can just click on it. Second one, you hold Shift and then you click on it. Hold Shift and then you click on the same, and then you click on the next anchor point. And just like that, then what you do is you can turn it into an oval. You can make it like that. And that is what the direct selection tool, in other words, sub-selection tool. You can call it direct selection tool or sub-selection tool. So that is what the direct selection tool does. Now, moving on, let's get to the selection tool. So selection tool, basically what it does is when you click at the top button, that is selection tool. Basically, whatever you select, like this for example, you can move it around, make it wide or narrow, big or small, and how I'm making it stay the same way is by holding Shift. So big, small, big, small. Oh wait. Wide, narrow, wide, narrow. And that is what the selection tool does. You can make it big or small, wide or narrow, long or short. Oh wait, did I forget to show you what the long and short does? Long, short, long, oh, short. That's way too long. Now, and that is what the selection tool does. So let's delete that. So now what we're going to do is our next thing and second last thing is going to be the shapes. So basically, as you all know, there's a picture of which shape you can use. This is the circle tool. It allows you to make ovals and wide or narrow ones. No wait, wide or narrow circles, or in other ways you could do long and short. You could do long and short, wide and narrow. So the next one we're gonna do is, let's see what's, you need to left click. If you're right-handed, then you need to left click so that you can see which tool you're going to use next. I'm going to use the rounded rectangle tool. So basically, what the rounded rectangle tool is, it's like, it's already curved for you. Just, so here we have a circle, and here we have a rectangle. So this tool will make it in between. It will make a curvy rectangle and a little bit sharp circle. So that's what that tool does. Now moving on, let's go to the rectangle tool. So here this makes long and short, and the same long and short. In other words, wide, narrow. So, and this tool will make it like a square. Big or small, big or small.
How would it make a square?
How would it make a square?
Like, what do you need to press?
You need to click on Shift. So now, the next shape we are going to learn is polygon tool. Basically, a polygon tool, the polygon tool is very good. I love it. So let's select our polygon tool and let's make a polygon. So there is our polygon. So what you can do over here is, can you see that extra point doing down here? What you can do with it is, let me show you a cool trick. It's awesome. What you do is you click on here. It does plus, minus. So here you can change it into different shapes. So this is, this is a nice shape. This has 7 sides. This has 6 sides, 5 sides, 4 sides, 3 sides, triangle, 2 sides, oh, it only goes up to 3. But what else you can do is you can just, how do I do this? So, in other words, you can make a polygon. You could you could just click inside the polygon. Then what you could do is you could make the numbers low or high. I'm only going with 3 because that makes a triangle. And then I'm going to show you another cool trick. Look, now all of the polygons are triangles. So the next shape we are going to do is star tool. So the star tool basically makes stars, and just like all the other ones, you can make it wide and narrow and long and short.
Can I show you one cool trick, Abhiha? You would probably already know. So, if you go to sub-selection tool,
you
right?
can curve it.
Yes, so you can curve.
You can make a curvy star or a sharp star. So basically, if I select this one, okay, let's Control Z that, and let's make another star, okay? So now, if we go to sub-selection, we have all of these tools. If we select nothing, and let's just select all of these pointy ones, then it will allow us to make it a little bit curvy, really curvy, or really sharp. And it's so nice when, I really like this one because it's like so magical. And our last tool for today is layer tool. I still haven't gotten the hang of layer tool, but what it does is it makes really cool shapes. You can make really cool ones. You can just, ooh, look at that one. That's ginormous. Look at that one. This one is amazing. I think I know just what we can do with all of these. But that is almost the end. Okay, we only have one more tool left, which is Curvature tool. So basically, it's basically a curve tool, which you just like, You don't need to hold on to anything. You can just let it curve. But if you want to make a point, if you want to make a straight line, you need to double click over here, and then you have a straight line, and then you can curve it with all of your power. But I'm afraid that is the last of our episodes. Make sure to subscribe and hit on the bell button, and make sure to watch my next video. Bye. Bye-bye.